everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayAstromoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you. Today on 24th May 2021, I will discuss about the expectations of Indian stock market, how the Indian markets are expected to be in next coming trading days, and on what all stocks you have to keep in your radar for the next coming trading days. Friends, if you remember, in our previous episodes, I have discussed about copper, and I strongly mentioned that I am expecting copper to show further weakness in Indian as well as in the international markets. And similarly, things can be seen right now. Copper June future made low at the level of around 738 in MCX, which was more than 1% down from its previous close, and currently copper June future is trading at around 742, which is approximately half a percent down from the previous close of copper in MCX on Friday. Also, if you remember, I've mentioned an option strategy on Vedanta on Thursday last week, in which I've recommended that Vedanta May month put option of strike price 275, which was then trading at the level of 5.65, and I have mentioned that particular put option is expected to see significant upward movement in the next coming trading days, and in just 2 trading days it has gone up more than 90%, and today it made high at the level of 11.5. I hope you enjoyed our recommendation on Vedanta put option. In just 2 trading days, it gave more than 90% return. Also, you can subscribe our paid services for the Indian stock market as well as for the option strategies, in which you will get timely update about our recommendations on option strategies as well as on stocks and indices. So now I will discuss about certain stocks which I am expecting to show some positive movement, as well as I will discuss certain stocks which I am expecting to show weakness in the next coming trading days. So starting off with the bullish stocks. So for the positive move, you can keep your eyes on Canara Bank, which is trading at around 157.80, and you can also keep your eyes on SBI and State Bank of India, which is trading at around 409.55. So I'm repeating my stocks. First one is Canara Bank, which is trading at around 157.80, and second is SBI and State Bank of India, one which is trading at around 409.55. So these two stocks can show further positive move in the next coming trading days. Now I will discuss about stocks which you need to be careful and beware, and that are expected to show some profit booking, which are Tata Steel and Vedanta. Tata Steel is currently trading at around 1096, and Vedanta is trading at around 276.55. These two stocks can show further profit booking in the next coming trading days. So you need to be very careful in these two particular stocks. So that's all for the today's episode. So see you in the next coming episodes. Happy trading and good day.